Hello everybody and welcome to the new NetHunt CRM tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use Sales Navigator combined with the CRM to generate leads on LinkedIn more effectively. LinkedIn Sales Navigator taps into the power of more than 600 million members network to help sales professionals find and build relationships with prospects and leads. As a result, salespeople and lead generation managers see 45% more opportunities created, 51% higher likelihood of achieving sales goals, and 80% productivity improvement. How is that possible? Well, Sales Navigator provides the ability to use advanced searches, save leads, create custom account lists, and add notes or tags to leads. All this makes it easier for sales reps to manage their pipeline and ensure no lead falls through the cracks. So how do you dig into this gold mine of sales? First of all, you need the Sales Navigator itself. Sales Navigator is a paid-for tier of LinkedIn that allows reps to tap into their expansive network of connections and land better deals. We wrote a very detailed article comparing LinkedIn and Sales Navigator features and pricing in our blog. The link is in the description right below this video. Don't forget to check it out. To give you a short overview, Sales Navigator is a fantastic lead generation and enrichment resource to have. Navigators receive regularly updated lead recommendations, gain access to more comprehensive search filters, and after searching, results provide more profile data for a better overview of potential leads. You can save up to 1,500 leads and accounts that have tickled your fancy and might need actioning later. With Sales Navigator, it rains leads. Phew, that's a lot of features to find a lot of leads. If only there was somewhere to store those leads. And this is where NetHunt CRM steps in. As a CRM that resides both in your Gmail and LinkedIn, it grabs the useful data that is available to you on LinkedIn profile pages like names, job titles, company names, websites, addresses, etc. and directs it to your CRM workspace in Gmail at as much as a click of a button. As a result, contact and company records created in the CRM start their journey through your pipeline. If you combine the power of these two, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Let's review in more detail how both Sales Navigator and NetHunt CRM work together. I'll start with the most typical example of how Sales Navigator is used: search for the new leads. Here, knowing as much as possible about your perfect customer will allow you to really narrow down the list of potential prospects and focus on the best leads. Select Search for Leads option. On the advanced search page, you can choose from over 20 filters to target the types of leads you're looking for. For instance, you can filter for company, job title, industry, company size, geography, and more. Once you get your results, it's time for NetHunt to get into play. Having NetHunt extension for LinkedIn installed, it will automatically show which profiles and companies in Sales Navigator are already in your CRM and which ones are new. If NetHunt icon is blue, it means that you already have this contact in your CRM, and if it's white, it means you haven't connected with this lead yet. When browsing and searching through Sales Navigator, it really saves you time and lets you focus on connecting with new opportunities. And adding these new leads to your CRM is just one click away. Pro tip: you can also save your searches to get notifications when new prospects matching those criteria show up in the system, so you don't have to repeat searches over and over again. Once you get notified about a new matching profile, you can add it to your CRM as well. That way, you never miss an opportunity. Today, the sales cycle in B2B is longer and more complex, with more people involved in purchase decisions. Sales reps are challenged to identify all decision makers and influencers on the client side and come up with the best sales approach. LinkedIn Sales Navigator helps reps keep tabs on their prospects and better understand their leads with tags and notes. Also, when you add a lead or a company to NetHunt, CRM timeline, tasks, and details are available in the sidebar next to the profile, so you can instantly see all the lead or company-related important information, providing you with available context when you need it the most. This functionality of Sales Navigator and NetHunt CRM helps you avoid confusion and keep track of all the important players in an account. To help you discover more sales opportunities, Sales Navigator suggests similar prospects. As you use the Sales Navigator search functions to identify leads, click the drop-down button on a lead you're interested in and select View Similar. You will then see a list of leads with similar job titles or roles from other companies. This is a great way to extend your reach beyond the initial search criteria you input and discover and save untapped connections. To sum up, undoubtedly, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is quite a powerful tool even in its own. But once you add the power of NetHunt CRM integration to the mix, you can do miracles with your sales. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below and we'll get them answered for you. And if you find this video useful, hit those like and subscribe buttons to get more useful content from us. Bye for now!